It is said that Ayurveda and yoga are always together, and if they are followed together, it can result in a maximum impact on your health positively. According to Ayurveda, all our health issues are due to an imbalance between the three elements or doshas. When these three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, are in balance, you are perfectly healthy. But an imbalance or excess of either of them can have many health issues. Gastric problems result from impaired digestion, and Ayurveda believes this is because of an imbalance in the Vata dosha, air element. Vata dosha regulates all our digestive organs. Calming our Vata helps to get rid of gastric issues. Yoga comes to our rescue. All types of yoga focus on correcting these three doshas. There are yoga asanas that calm our Vata dosha, which cures our gastric problems. These yoga asanas benefit us by integrating proper breathing techniques that affect our gastrointestinal organs. Since we have understood the main reason for gastrointestinal issue, now let us focus on few yoga asanas that can help us get relief from gastrointestinal issues. Here are some exercises that can help you get rid of your problems within few minutes. These exercises are super easy and you can just do them in 1 to 2 minutes and get effective results. First one is Pavan Mukta Asana. It is also called as wind release pose or the gas release pose. Pavan Mukta Asana, as the name suggests, derives itself from two words, Pavan meaning wind or gas and Mukta meaning release or relief. This asana helps us by releasing the gas in our stomach. Gas often occurs due to food indigestion, and indigestion causes a lot of problems, more than stomach discomfort like migraine, joint pain, etc. It helps in getting rid of the gas formed due to indigestion. It works on the muscles of the back, biceps, triceps and hips. Second one is Balasana. This yoga is also known as Garbhasana. Balasana means child's pose, where Bal means child and Asana means posture. Balasana is often done as end yoga. This yoga focuses on proper breathing techniques. The breathing should be long, thin, slow and steady. The basic concept is you need to exhale while flexing and inhale while stretching. It relieves fatigue, anxiety and stress. It improves digestion. It cures back pain. Vajrasana is one yoga pose which is very effective in giving quick relief in gastric, acidity, indigestion and constipation. This is the easiest of all other yoga poses for gastric problems. Also, Vajrasana is only yoga pose which should be done after meal on a full stomach and avoided on empty stomach. This yoga pose also helps in proper digestion of food and makes us sure body draws maximum nutrition of the food that we eat. This is a very easy yoga for gastric problems but should be avoided if you have problems with your knees or ankles. Some advantages to Vajrasana are helps in relaxation of knees and ankles, strengthens your thighs and calves, helps in elevating back pain by releasing your spine. With regular practice of the above mentioned asanas of yoga for gastric problems, you should feel a great relief in problems like indigestion, constipation, acidity as well. These yoga poses also strengthen all your body parts from neck to your toes on daily basis.